Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. Okay, and today I'm going to talk about customized interactive historical OHLC candlestick chart using Delta Exchange API. Okay, so this is second part in the series. So previously I have done a video related to this. You can watch, and even I have given the code. So in that video, what learning you can get is how to get the daytime as per Indian standard timings. Okay, so that is important, and how you can call the MPL finance. Okay, so you can just check it out. And say suppose in this candlestick chart, so suppose if you go with my Profit Data Web YouTube channel, you will find a lot of videos related to candlestick chart. Okay, but here wherever I am explaining in any part of my videos, especially have different requirements. So if I give candlestick chart, means the purpose is to show some of the integration, especially the data, and how you can get the data in required timestamp and to get in a certain category. Okay, so this main part of series is to get an interactive chart. Especially if I say I want to experiment in these things, I want to include in a GUI. Okay, so that is the purpose of this candlestick chart. You can get in any way of these things. Okay, so candlestick chart in Python, which is one of the best video you can watch, you will get all of the understanding. Okay, so previously, if way back, if you get to the videos, you have to do a lot of stuff to get the candlestick chart. Okay, so especially you have to call from the matplotlib, and especially there will be line charts and so many if and buts. Okay, but as of whichever the MPL finance has been given, it is the best. Okay, there is a plotly is also there which you can utilize, but if you are utilizing matplotlib, it is good to go. Okay, and it is not some as charge or something like that. It is free of cost, easy to use. Yes, you can go. So I've been already done fetch P.2 and get for the candlestick chart. Okay, so everything whichever it is there, different cause is there. Okay, setting for the candlestick chart, so you must go for this stuff. Okay, and do check it out. So a number of things which have been done, plotting, especially I have done a series related to Blender Python, especially using this candlestick chart and converting this into required format, then up and down SVG. So a lot of stuff have been done. Okay, now the main part is, so suppose if you get with any kind of a broker or any kind of a third-party application, they definitely have a chart. Okay, so what the chart used to do, used to give you a lot of stuff, you can put 1 minute, 5 minute, and then you can put whichever the symbols you are looking for, just scan and put 4 format which you can put the chart and can you utilize. Okay, so all of the stuffs are there, which what happens, if you are getting that stuff, it will be coming from a third party application. Okay, kind of a charts, and a chart is a very much powerful tool. Okay, so suppose if you are analyzing the data, okay, so if you put it in Excel, maybe if you are good with the numbers, you can check it out. But if you want to check it easily at a go, okay, so chart is very much important. So there is a lot of way of charts are there. Okay, so simple, as I think I've been given some of the charts related to matplotlib recently, and I have been given various chart, different plots of matplotlib. Okay, so you can utilize. Okay, and say some number of the things which you can do, you can animate. So that is also I have been given, and I have done a lot of explanation related to the matplotlib. Okay, it is easy to get and have lots of features, and especially any kind of other different modules, it is easy to integrate. Okay, so all the stuffs are there, and even plotly is also there, which I think you can utilize in some of the videos I think have been done. Okay, So you just try to catch this stuff, try to understand and see. For main reason as of right now to do this video is to get the chart, especially in my GUI. Okay, and in I'm gonna do it this using toga, that is beware, which is like as says right once deploy. uh, you can deploy anywhere, so you can go with Linux, Mac, Windows, or even you can go with the mobile. Okay, so all of the application is available. So if you go with the Ticketer, you can choose any of the GUI. Okay, PyQt5, Beware, Kiwi. Okay, so especially I've been done videos related to Kiwi, and I've been already done videos related to Beware. Now in this Beware, what happens? It is one of the best Android application, easy to use. If you just write once, it will be easy to configure. Even what I've been done with this, I have been already shown how you can convert those things. Okay, so what happens if you just got this stuff, and you will be able to get the GUI as an APK Android. Okay, and can deploy. Even I have shown my own app where I've been given all the stuff. Okay, and even some of the features utilizing this for the Android purpose. Okay, so here the beware is a stock market analysis, retention states, mobile Android application in Python. Okay, so it is related to beware. Playlists are there, so try to check it out. Okay, what happens, this is as I already shown how you can convert, and you can code that stuff. And especially what you can do, you can whatever you've been done, you can integrate your API and customize and trade. Okay, so all of the things which you can do if you give a good amount of time, and it is one of the best. Okay, so I must say do try. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going with this thing. Even if I have to look for trading in my Windows, and if I want to move through my mobile applications, so I think this will be the best. Okay, so go for it and try by your side. So right now what I have to do, I just required some of the codes to get me the chart. Okay, so I will move to my favorite ID, paste some chart. So here what happens, I'm just show you the basic integrations. I won't do much, show you some of the basic integrations. I save some charts and I try to view them. Okay, so that's the integration I do. Okay, and in this series what I'm gonna do, I will continue and I will show you how you can do other stuff as well. Okay, enjoy, you can put some stuff and can just click what are the things can be done. Okay, so we just try to do and we need to practice, so that's the reason we are utilizing stuff. Okay, so let's copy this stuff and move to our favorite ID. Okay, so as you can see, I have pasted my code. Okay, and all I have to do is I have to generate a chart. Okay, so it will be a PNG file which will like portable network graphics, so we can expand them. So all we have to say is save fig, and here we have to give we can save the name, but I think there will be some of the cuts will be there and I want clear picture, so I want to utilize this dictionary and giving the customized way. Okay, so all I have to say f name, and in f name what I have to do is I have to give this the name, so it will be btc underscore chart dot png. Okay, so that is the name, and the next part will be there that I have to give a pad underscore inches. Okay, so I can give that, and that will be 0.25. So over whichever the at the end the inches will be there, so it contains this, and I can give DPI which will be 150 I believe, or you can give 200 for better resolutions. It's a dots per inch, and then I have to give pbox underscore inches, and I have to say that should be tight. Okay, so it should not miss any kind of a name or a title or anything. Okay, you should give me the perfect. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, and let's generate this stuff. I believe I've generated the files, so let me show you that file. So as you see, I have files, I mean especially this chart. So it consists of each and everything. Okay, and so whatever the charts are there which have been already shown in my previous video, so it consists of that. Okay, with name and each and everything. Okay, so you can just check it out from your end. Okay, so everything is available and I just have to call in my viewer. Okay, so let's go with this stuff and write the code. Okay, module. Okay, so first of all I think I just take it out all those stuff and just write it down and then I will put it back. So I think that will be better. So we can start and what are the things we can say. Import toga. Okay, so you can say pip install toga and you can utilize this stuff. I'll do it in few steps, so only few libraries are required, so which is in case style will be there, toga.style, and from toga what I'm gonna do is import the pack. So from toga.style import pack. Okay, so this is done and I'm gonna take this out and paste it in this. Okay, later I take it out each and everything, and once again I will generate and show you the graph. Okay, so if I am doing this stuff I have to start with the class. So especially I think if you want to learn the object oriented programming, you can start this kind of a GUI coding. Okay, so I will say class and I will say chart app. Okay, and this already which is written syntax, I just take it out. So I will say toga.app and I have to call a window. Okay, so I have to say about my window. So all I have to say is define startup. Okay, and I required a self to make it whatever I have been written get together. Okay, so I will say self dot main underscore window. So I have to call the window. So if your GUI is there, definitely Windows is there. So if you code any kind of a GUI application, you start with a window. Okay, so window will appear and whatever the stuff need to do, whether pages, books, any kind of a you can say as a website itself. Okay, you got menu and you click and you reach the page, so that is kind of a one window will be there. Okay, and you can write it down entire steps and reach it out to other things, and also this is what needed. So we have to say toga dot main window. So syntax you need to refer, and you have to give a name at the end, so that's the reason we have to refer. So we can give a formal name and that comes to our title. So we say title equals self dot formal underscore name. Okay, so this is how we gonna call our window, and I have to refer my image. So I will say toga dot image to give the path. So we know that it is in P.2 underscore chart dot png. Okay, so we'll try to generate and see what happens. And the next thing will be there. We just have to call an image underscore view. To view this stuff, what we have to say is toga dot image view, and in this I'm gonna give what are the things is required. Okay, so especially I will give the image which consists of path, and I have to give a style. So I have to say style which have been imported and say pack, and I have to put it in padding, which will be 10. Okay, so these are things I have to do. So if it is done, I have to say self dot main underscore window. So I have to call the window with the content. Okay, and in this content what I'm gonna do is I have to talk about image underscore view. So it's in sequence, it is simple. Okay, and all you have to do is have to show. So self dot main underscore window dot show parenthesis. Okay, so this is done. So that's it, and we need to call this through main. So I have to say main, and here we will return whatever we call. So class whatever it is there. So let's say chart app, and here I have to give a name, a title, a formal name. So it will be BTC USD, and I have to give an ID. So it is a required syntax. So I can give it anything which variable you want. Okay, and so suppose I want to call the main, and this main comes with running toggle loop. Okay, so that's it, call and done. As you can see, I got my chart and I am able to view the BTC chart with its required price, okay, with required candlestick chart. Okay, so that is how some things can be done. And in this case what happens, any of the stuff is required, I can observe, I can see. Okay, and this is in full format. So especially if it is in 15-minute, so suppose if I am looking for 5-minute, all I have to do is I have to do changes in my program and it will appear like that. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, I got a 5-minute chart instead of 15-minute candlestick chart. Okay, so even I can see some of the cuts are there. Okay, so previously I think I can watch those date as well, but it's not there, and we can do some changes. I tried to get you more customization, and I try to do more in interactive way. So this is just basic, just an connection to your matplotlib charts to the toga. Okay, so try to see this stuff. Okay, and try to analyze and try to code them, and we will see this in next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me directly over WhatsApp. Thank you.